a statement from the National Weather Service for the following counties in Maryland: Carroll, Frederick, Harford, northern Baltimore and Washington, and the following counties in Virginia: Clarke, Frederick, Shenandoah, and Warren, and the following counties in West Virginia: Berkeley and Jefferson. Winter storm warning in effect from 3 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Precipitation type: snow. Accumulations of 3 to 6 inches are expected. Timing: rain will mix with snow after midnight tonight, and eventually change over to all snow early Monday morning. The heaviest snow is expected Monday morning. Snow will move out of the area Monday afternoon. Temperatures dropping to the lower 30s Monday morning. Winds north 5 to 10 miles per hour. Impacts: roads could become snow-covered and slippery, making travel difficult during the Monday morning commute. Snow will reduce visibility to below 1/2 mile at times.
No precautionary actions.
The forecast for the Potomac River at Little Falls from 7 a.m. to 3.8 p.m. morning.